Okay, so I am going to trim my eyebrows with a new technique. Okay, so we're gonna do it. I saw Stephanie Lang do a video where she showed this way she was gonna do her eyebrows, and I really thought it was kind of cool. However, most techniques say just, brush your eyebrows up. Well, my eyebrows don't stay up. If I use a comb, they just flop back down. I cannot comb my eyebrows up to trim them. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use my lash adhesive that I got from Red Aspen with my lashes. And it's pretty expensive stuff, but let's just see if it works, because I'm kind of intrigued by this all. So I'm gonna put it on here, and then I'm gonna comb my lashes straight up. So I should wait till they get a little tight.
But my devotion to the emotion, I've yet to surrender to tales of forever, but never say never, my dear. Can you make me believe it at night when I call for the magic? 'Cause I just wanna feel it when things go bump in the attic.
Taming my thick, unruly lashes. Now that is I feel like they actually glued, literally did give me an eyelid. That is freaking weird, okay?
I wanna know when.
I've granted we're gonna trim them now, okay? Look it all up. It doesn't work so much better than my push it down and hold it technique I usually have to do. Just like this. But it does seem to work a little bit better. It definitely worked better than holding up. That was it. That's the way to get glam eyebrows. Thanks for watching Mildevilles Toasted Blonde. Adhering my eyebrows up so I can trim them. Bye. Oh, I put out 2 videos a week. One's usually about Limelight, one's something stupid like this. If you enjoy this type of ridiculousness, please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.